I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all my elders and respected viewers who are watching this video. Your support and encouragement mean the world to me. This narrative is a testament to the sacrifices, courage, and resilience of a people who have never compromised on their honor, freedom, or loyalty to their homeland. It is with immense pride that I share this story not just as a tribute to the bravery of our ancestors, but as a source of inspiration for generations to come. The, the Gujar nation and the freedom movement of Pakistan. The lives of nations are filled with ups and downs. However, only those nations remain alive in history that write their legacy with their blood. The future welcomes those nations with open arms, who even in time of decline uphold their honor, freedom, and loyalty to their homeland. Among the many communities residing in our beloved homeland, the Gujar nation is one whose ancestor carved city into this land and thousands of years ago laid the foundation of a modern and civilized state known as Aryavarta, meaning the land of noble. When Alexander the Great name echoed across the world, it was the Gujar who defended with their blood, forcing the unconquerable to retreat. Later, the Koshan Gujar expanded their empire from the mountain of Central Asia to the forests of Burma. Another branch of Katana Gujar became rulers of China, and while the Han Gujar dominated both China and Indian subcontinent. The story does not end here. The legacy of the Koshan, Katana, and Han Gujar was passed down to the Gujar Petar, who rules vast territories. However, with the advent of Muslim rulers, this century-old empire fragmented into smaller pieces. The Gujar were labeled as enemies, and their kingdom and properties were divided. Their history was distorted and their contribution erased. Then came the mercy of Allah Almighty and the Gujar embraced Islam. By this time, however, they had lost their power and were forced to retreat the mountain as shepherds. Their retreat to the mountain was driven by their innate desire for freedom. Had they compromised, and they could have lived as vassals and calling themselves king and nobles. The fight for freedom. The Gujar fight for freedom continued, but instead of being recognized as freedom fighters, they were labeled as criminals. Muslim rulers further diminished their sovereignty, labeling them criminals, thieves, and outlaws. Those who were attacked, oppressed, were branded as oppressors. When the British arrived, the Gujar, both Hindu and Muslim, united to make life unbearable for them. The British were so troubled that they famously said, if India had no Gujar, Rangars, dogs or cats, the British would sleep peacefully. In 1857, the first war of independence initiated by a brave Gujar soldier, Motne Gujar. His statue still stands in Meerut, India. From Meerut to Delhi, Gujar territory became center of resistance, driving the British out. If other communities had not sided with the British, and if the Mughal Emperor were declared independence, the history of India would have been entirely different. Sacrifices of the Gujar nation. The Gujar nation paid a heavy price for their struggle for freedom. Their land were renamed Rajputana, and they were declared a criminal class. Education and economic opportunities were denied to them, and being a Gujar became a crime. If one identified as a Gujar, they were barred from owning land or receiving an education. No other communities sacrificed as much for freedom as the Gujar did, while others aligned with the British, acquiring land title and education. The true Gujar descended of the Kshatriya lineage fought for freedom in the mountain and desert. The birth of Pakistan. In 1933, a visionary leader, Chaudhry Rahmati Ali Gujar, honored the land of Aryavarta, renaming it Pakistan. He founded the movement of Pakistan, and by 1940, his vision became the voice of the entire Muslim community. He gave this nation its concept, its map, its name, its flag. A flag that, with minor change, still inspired 200 million people today. Despite being labeled as uneducated and criminal, the Gujar never betrayed their land or compromised on freedom. They left behind city, government offices, and wealth to fight for independence. Today, the son of Aryavarta stand as the protector and loyal guardians of Pakistan. The sacrifices, courage, and resilience of the Gujar nation are a source of inspiration. Gujar nation are a source of inspiration for the entire world. Their contribution to the freedom of this land are unparalleled, and their legacy continue to inspire generation. Pakistan Zindabad, Gujar Nation Zindabad. Thank you for watching this video. I hope and inspire and enlighten you about the glacial history of the Gujar Nation. Your support and encouragement mean the world to me. Thank you so much.